Meaning of eye-opener.
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 Eye-opener. The phrase eye-opener is used to describe something that is surprising or enlightening, often changing one's perspective on a topic or situation. It is typically a new experience or information that reveals a different viewpoint or understanding. An eye-opener can lead to a shift in attitudes, behaviors, or beliefs. In short, an eye-opener opens one's eyes to a previously unknown or misunderstood aspect of a subject, prompting a change in perception or action.